Hello, and welcome to the introduction for the AT-GAIN M50LZ 50-watt mixer amplifier and the AT-GAIN ball volume control wall plate. The Atlona AT-GAIN M50LZ is a mixer amplifier designed for low impedance education and commercial applications. The amplifier delivers either two channels of 25 watts into 4 or 8 ohms, or a single channel of 50 watts. Two unbalanced stereo audio inputs are included with independent level control for each. The GAIN M50LZ includes unique capabilities intended for education applications. Ducking automatically lowers the program audio level on input 1 when a teacher speaks into a microphone system connected to the unbalanced input 2. PA Sense mutes the output of the amplifier whenever it detects activity on the school public address system. Both features ensure important lesson material and announcements are heard clearly. The compact enclosure allows the amplifier to be mounted in a variety of locations, such as under a desk or table, on a wall behind a display, or in the ceiling. It is plenum rated for installation in air handling spaces. The GAIN M50LZ is ideal for education and commercial installations that require a simple, cost-effective, two-input mixer amplifier. Audio ducking and PA Sense ensure lesson material and announcements are heard clearly in the classroom. Key features for the GAIN M50LZ amplifier: output power is 2 by 25 watts at 4 or 8 ohms for stereo, or 50 watts for mono. It has two unbalanced stereo inputs on RCA and 3.5 millimeter connectors. An unbalanced line level output allows the mixed signal to be passed to an assistive listening system. A ducking feature allows the level of input 1 to be lowered when audio is present on input 2. PA Sense mutes the amplifier when the public address announcement is detected. The amplifier is UL 2043 plenum rated for installation in air handling spaces. The RS-232 port is available for configuration and control from Velocity or third-party automation systems. The front panel includes intuitive user controls for level, mute, ducking, and PA Sense. Remote volume control is available with the optional AT-GAIN ball wall plate. In classrooms, the GAIN M50LZ distributes lesson audio to speakers, lowers program audio when the teacher speaks into the microphone, and mutes audio for PA announcements. For meeting rooms, it can receive audio from an AV switcher or DSP and then feed the program speakers in the room. The amplifier is UL 2043 rated, allowing it to be concealed in the plenum area above a drop ceiling, minimizing the need for AV equipment space in a room. This diagram illustrates the GAIN M50LZ receiving audio from an Omega receiver and driving two speakers. In addition, the amplifier supports ducking program audio when a signal such as a teacher's microphone is in use on the second input. The PA Sense capability detects the use of a PA system in the room and automatically mutes the amplifier so announcements can be heard clearly. The line level output allows audio to be passed to a separate system, such as assistive listening. The optional AT-GAIN ball wall plate allows for a simple and effective level control when a separate AV control system is not in use. The AT-GAIN Vol is a volume control wall plate for use with the AT-GAIN M50LZ mixer amplifier. We made it to provide an attractive and easy way to control the volume levels of the AT-GAIN M50LZ when there is no control system in the environment and manually changing levels on the amplifier itself is not feasible. The gain vol is an easy and cost-effective method for manually controlling amplifier audio levels in a wall mount form factor that complements many room environments. Key features: the gain vol is a volume control wall plate for use with the AT-GAIN-M50-LZ mixer amplifier. It provides easy-to-use manual audio level control for the amplifier when a control system is not in use. The volume control range is from no audio or mute to maximum output level. It features a 3-pin captive screw connection for interfacing with the amplifier. The gain vol is designed to mount in a US 1-gang enclosure for wall plate openings and includes interchangeable black or white trim kits. For more information on the AT-GAIN-M50LZ and the AT-GAIN-VOL, go to www.atlona.com.